How to change the dates of an Airbnb reservation. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's guide, we are going to show you step by step how to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. We can open up the Airbnb application and log into our account if we are not logged in. And the thing is, date changes depending upon the host availability, and the price may change higher or lower as well. And some reservations can't be changed due to the cancellation policy. So if you want to go ahead and change it, we can just go over look out for the trip section, tap on it, and here you can look out for your trip and select the reservation that we want to change. And once we find the change section, you can just go over and choose the option for change reservation. And once you've done that, you can select the new check-in and check-out dates. So you can just go and look out for the calendar and you can tap on the check-in, similar to the checkout date. After that, you can just go over and review any of the price difference. You can tap on save and you can look out for the price ranges and difference, and you can just go over and tap on request change, and the host must approve the change and only you should be able to change it. And the host has 24 hours to respond. If approved, the dates automatically update. If declined, your original booking stays the same. Sometimes the host may not allow the changes. The stay might already be in process, so try messaging the host directly and ask if they can change the date. But that's it, everybody. You can just go and follow out this method if you want to change the dates on Airbnb reservation. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.